to Stetson. So we have beautiful landscaping in the front, minimal maintenance. Then we have some flagstone pavers leading back to the side gate that's big enough to get some decent sized toys back there. So there is a very strong smell of smoke in the house. We have dealt with these properties before. We'll paint a layer of Kills to neutralize the smoke odor. Sometimes an ozone treatment or something is used. Often the carpet would be pulled up. The carpet is just over $1 a square foot. And as you can see, it's mostly tile, so that shouldn't be a large expense. And then we already have the 2.5-inch faux blinds that we like to use. We already have a space saver microwave. We may not be able to switch the sink out for an undermount, but we should be able to get a gooseneck faucet in there. Nice modern pulls like this. Of course, we need a fridge. Upgraded light fixture. The wand is missing from those verticals, so I don't know if we need to replace all of the verticals with a new blind or not. So here's the laundry. Those door handles are nice and modern and probably can stay. We have closet door guides and all kinds of interesting things going on in the closet. Some touch up, maybe a repaint. Oh, that's right, the smell. So we need a shower rod in here. A nice big fan for a room this size. Okay, so with the backyard, it's nice that we have the tile down and we already have the landscaping set up. Looks like the roots are pushing through those pavers. It may need to be fixed at some point. We have a little step up here, which property manager would have to tell us whether or not that is a tripping hazard or if it's okay, because people would typically put a barbecue there and be aware. Also not sure about this patio cover. We would investigate that if necessary. So likely the shed is where the toys are stored, since you pull them in through here. And of course, this is the slider that was off of the fireplace living room area. So we have this lock here, and we have a little wooden piece down at the bottom for extra protection. These verticals seem to be fine. A nice caulking would really freshen up the shower. Pretty inexpensive. Beautiful stone counters. The cabinets look good. My fixture looks good. We have a towel bar in place, which is great. And a separate toilet area with 2.5-inch blinds already. So, that's it.